Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Before we go any further, I have great news to share with you. We hit 1,000 subscribers, you guys. What? I'm so excited. Thus my falsies today. I'm celebrating 1,000 subscribers. Like, I still can't believe it. It's been, I think, a 2-year journey so far, and we started this just to share our journey dating and just what we do in Charlotte and what's fun, I don't know, what we get up to, and something that started as a small little vlog channel has kind of grown, and we have 1,000 subscribers. So thank you I'm talking to you right there. Thank you so much for being here. Even if you're just visiting, you keep, you're just like popping in, you're not sure if you want to subscribe, just subscribe, just hit the I'm like begging, please subscribe. But thank you so much to everybody who subscribed so far. You are just a blessing to us. You don't even know. Like, I'm so excited. And the day we hit it, I called Brandon and I was like, oh my god, did you look at the numbers? And it was just insane. So thank you so much for helping us hit 1,000 subscribers. I really appreciate you. But anyway, enough about that. Today's unboxing is extremely exciting to me, and I need to do it because the sun is going down. It is already 5:40 p.m. and it's fall, so the sun is running away from me. So I'm gonna be quick, but I'm just really excited. I placed this order on Friday and I got it on Monday, Columbus Day, which I thought the post office wasn't gonna be open, but it was supposed to get here Tuesday. They tried to deliver it early. No one was home. And then I went to the post office to pick it up the next day, and then the post office saw my slip and they couldn't find the package. And then they called the lady that delivers in our area, and she was like, oh, I was gonna try to deliver it again today. I was like, well, you left the slip saying to come to the office. So we just missed each other. So long story short, Brandon was home. He was able to get me my package. So I got it on Tuesday, even though it was ready by Monday. So talk about fast delivery. I'm already like, that's impressive enough. Also, let me unbox it because this is all out of context. October is our wedding anniversary month, and to celebrate, I thought I would do something I did kind of in preparation for October last year. So what's in this box? A very special item. Look, Mateo's so excited he came closer to see what it is. He loves boxes. So he's just trying to snatch the box when I'm done with it. Okay. Okay, let me, onto the actual. Okay, can you see what this is? So I'm really excited to present my shoes. Yes, I just placed an order for these shoes on Friday. It was kind of crazy to do. What happened was I was on Tradesy. I was just browsing on my lunch break, and I saw a pair of shoes and I was like, hey, these are a good price for what these are. So I started looking into them, and then I was like, oh, I don't know about the heel height. My lunch ended and I couldn't get them out of my head, and I just kept looking at them and I was like, I really sort of want them. So I would sneak into the, I hope my boss isn't watching. I would sneak into the bathroom and watch YouTube unboxings. I really hope my boss isn't watching this. But yeah, I would watch, I was just on Instagram, like looking up the shoes, like just to see what they look like on people. And I was just like, this is not helping me. So I sort of went on YouTube and saw what they looked like and what people had to say about heel height and things like that. And that's sort of how I made my decision. And I think it took me 2 hours to decide. Honestly, I just couldn't get them out of my head. But yeah, so I absolutely love these shoes already, but let's see what the unboxing is like first before I keep talking to you. So just, this is how everything came. This is my first time seeing it legit, so. Okay, first bag. Oh, here we go. I'm thinking these are the same as last time. Yep, they're just replacement heel studs. So put those back in here. That's weird. This shoe is not in a bag. Oh, I have issues already. Okay. We have issues. There's no second bag for this. Are they both supposed to go in one bag? Because I've bought a pair of these before, I know for a fact you're supposed to get 2 bags. Right? My other ones, I got 2 bags, one for each shoe, but those had stones on them, so maybe that's a delicate thing. But you guys just saw that, right? The shoe is just like on its own, and then this one is in a bag. Thought I was gonna get 2 bags. That's really weird. I'm gonna have to ask. I'm gonna have to watch another unboxing and see if I got jilted somehow. Anyway, okay, so back to how I got them. I got them on Tradesy, like I said, and I was just browsing, and I found one, and then I looked at the seller's page and realized she had 2 more shoes, different styles, and I kind of got really like stoked. So let me go actually look. These are the Christian Louboutin. I'm not gonna say that name ever correctly, so bear with me. But these are the Nude Silk 120 in patent leather. They're supposed to be a size 9. We'll find out if that's right. The seller on Tradesy I liked her so much because she had a note on there saying, hey, I list my items on several websites, so don't just make a purchase and expect I ship it. Message me first so I can make sure it's still available in case it's sold on a different site. So that was nice of her to mention, so that it's not like a, oh, sorry, not available anymore, something, you know, situation. But these are 120, so the heel height, these are I think higher than the other ones I got before, which were I think 100. They were the Follies Strass. But yeah, Silk-8 I heard so much about, but I was kind of scared at the extra heel height. But so far so good. Another thing about the seller is that she responded really quickly. I was gonna get a totally different pair of shoes. I was gonna get them in black. They were the black Pig Alley Follies 100, and you know, size 9 as well. I'll just show you a bigger picture of what they look like. So I wanted to get those, but at the last minute I just said, you know what, let me check out the Silk-8s. And I looked at a lot of reviews about comfort and things like that, and what I noticed was that people were saying, you know, although the other ones are more comfortable, these look hotter. And that these actually, once you break them in, are really comfortable as well. So that kind of made me go, okay, maybe I should stick to what I was gonna get, which was the Silk-8. I changed my mind at the last minute, I guess. This video is all over the place. Let me reel it back in. Okay, so I was gonna get the Pig Alley shoes, and I decided to get the Silk-8 based on reviews. And so yeah, let's carry on with the unboxing though. So far I'm not really sure if they were both supposed to be inside the bag, because one came outside the bag. But it doesn't look like, you know, it did say they were new. I think in the end they were only $5 cheaper than the actual, like on the Christian Louboutin website. So I didn't save a whole lot, but $5. Anyway, so here. So these are, I mean, it looks pretty good. It looks on point. Let me take these out. So far, so good. It's not dirty or anything. I don't think anybody else wore them. So far, I'm impressed. Let's see what the other ones look like. So they're wrapped pretty well. And, wow, they look really pristine. Also, no scuff marks, nothing. Nothing at all. So she kept her word. They are new and nice. So I'm just trying to get this out. So far, so good. Yep, so far I'm impressed. I think they look really elegant. The reason I ended up getting these, all those videos were great to tell me about comfort and stuff. That was all lovely. But honestly, I went on J'adore Fashion. I'm gonna link her below. J'adore Fashion, Stella's page on Instagram. She rocks all kinds of shoes, okay, but mostly red bottoms. And she has a pair of black ones, nude ones. She has I think some that might be green or like suede, I don't know. She has a bunch of shoes. I want to go into her closet one day and just peruse, just take a walk. But yeah, so I saw some pictures where she was wearing the black ones. The seller on Tradesy had the nudes and she had them in black as well, so I couldn't decide between the colors. So I went to J'adore Fashion's Instagram page and I was just looking at her pictures and how she styled the black ones. They looked really beautiful, but then I looked at how she styled the nude ones, and honestly, it just, I don't know if it's her like complexion, but it made it look like her legs just went on for days. The black ones I noticed just broke up the look a lot more and they weren't as seamless. These looked like they would match every occasion and would not draw too much attention. I mean, I hope they don't draw too much attention. I don't go anywhere where people are just like overdressed all the time. But I'm thinking a Christmas party for Brandon's job or something like that. I don't know. But these look like they would just kind of blend in nicely with everything and just make my legs look longer, thus making me look taller. So that's really why I opted for these. And really, at the last minute, I texted hubby and I was like, hey babe, do you like nude shoes or black shoes? And he's like, well, what do you mean? Like, what's going on? You're not getting red bottoms, are you? I was like, no, just wondering. So I sent him a bunch of pictures, screenshots, and I was just like, hey, these or these. And he was like, well, I have a thing for nudes. So not a thing for nudes, but I don't know. He liked the pictures with the nude shoes, if that makes sense. So he, I don't know, motivated me even more because I was kind of torn. It was down to the last hour and I had texted the seller and I was like, hey, which one do most people buy? And she was like, girl, I wear sneakers, I can't help you. Like, which I liked about her. She wasn't trying to push shoes on me. She was just like, think about it, take your time, let me know. Like, she was really sweet about it. So anyway, that's how we came to the conclusion of getting these shoes, okay? That was not weird at all, right? I'm gonna try these on right now and show you what they look like on, and I guess I'll give a first impressions. Yeah, and then I'll style it up and show you with an outfit, maybe tomorrow and a later date, and just wear it around, like how I would actually pair the outfit, and let you know how that goes as well. So this kind of might be a two-parter video, I'm not sure, but I do want to give you a full impression, first impression, and what they feel like later. I've seen a few videos on how to break them in, but I think what I'm gonna do is wear some socks and wear them around the house a little bit, so they don't get too scuffed. I'll wear them on carpet and we'll go from there. I'm not sure this has ever happened in the history of YouTube. It might have, but I haven't come across it yet. That's because they're probably not gonna post about it because it's ultra super duper embarrassing. I feel like Cinderella's stepsisters. These shoes don't fit. I mean, I couldn't get my big toe in, let alone the rest of my feet. I mean, I wear a size 9, and maybe I should have read more on the reviews to see if I was supposed to go up a size or not. But hold on one second. So this is what I actually wanted to do the day I ordered these, but I wasn't home and I made the purchase from the office. So I should have done this before placing my order. I'm opening my old box, which the whole point of getting these shoes was like an anniversary present to me, because, you know, I wore red bottoms for my wedding. Now I feel kind of dumb. Okay, so these are the wedding shoes. These were my size, and these are size 39s. They're US size 9. That's exactly the order I placed, but I can't get my feet in. What's going on? What's going on? Let me see. And see what I mean about 2 separate bags? I have 2 bags, yet these shoes came in just one. Anyway, oh my good Lord. What's a girl to do? Should I have gone up a size? No, like they really won't fit. I don't know if it's because I just painted my toenails, but they... Why did I just do that? Okay, this is the best way to do it. I don't know what I was thinking just now. I'm just gonna compare. It's the same. So it's honestly, so according to this, they're the same, and they're also the same here. So why don't my feet fit into the new ones? What the heck is going on here? Is this a trick? God, are you teaching me a lesson? Shop less. I'm working on it. I'm working on it. I just don't want to jam my feet into it. If I need to send them back to the store, they'll be like, you did your Cinderella thing and you done messed up the shoe now. This is not happening. There's no way in heaven my feet can fit into these shoes. Should I show you? Don't laugh at me, okay? Promise not to laugh. I mean, they're not going anywhere. They're not going in. This is not. Oh, bloody. They're not gonna fit. This looks horrible. I'm sad, so I'm just gonna end this here while I go do some Googling and figure out how to return these. Tradesy will accept any returns, but they'll usually do it for store credit, and that means I have to find another buyer who's got it for the same price, but in human size, not in Barbie doll feet size. I wear a US size 9. No shame in my game. But this has been a fail. This has been an epic fail. Never order shoes on your lunch break. How about it? Never make a massive purchase like this on your lunch break. It's a bad idea. I mean, do my feet still fit into these? Maybe it's my feet. See, these are fine. These are perfect. I mean, these are fine. Why? You know what though? These are fine maybe because they're mesh. Yeah, maybe because they're mesh and they have more flexibility. That's why they're fine, because this is all just mesh. But I didn't want to wear them until I fixed them. I think you saw in my last video that one of the stones fell off. So I thought I would get, you know, a new pair of shoes to celebrate my anniversary. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one, and I will update you on this mix-up when I figure it out myself. Thanks for watching again, and please subscribe. It'll cheer me up. That's it. That's all I have to say. I'm just gonna sign out now.